Okay, I had if you remember, a which watch segment. Which watch should I restore? And I had 4 good candidates and 1 what I called a dark horse candidate. Let's refresh real quick. You could skip ahead if you're familiar with this. I've been looking at this for years. These are the mortal remains of a Seiko. My gosh, he's going bananas. 7107 6050 speed timer. They were a single register like the 7015. They're different in a few different ways, but for some reason, they're incredibly hard to get parts for this movement. I'm not 100% sure why I can't just put a 7015 in there, but I'm going to try to find the parts and the ability to build a correct 7017. These are neat. Here's another case. It has this nice UFO edge shape on it. This one, a little more beat. It still has its indicator ring. These do rotate by the crown. I think this case back goes with this case. I think I got those. But anyway, they're neat. I've got a really cool dial. And that would be fun to use my product on to clean. And I've got the original handset. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look at the way that's set up. It's a really neat job. Okay, wait. What's the dial date? November 71. November 71. Doesn't go to either one of these. I wonder if I've got any more of these case backs. Huh. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, well, here we go. This is kind of where we're at right now. I have been chasing down every part I can get my hands on. This is one of the aftermarket inserts, and it drops right into a 6139 Pogue style outer bezel. It drops right in. I had to do some work in order to get it to stay in, but I managed to do that. I reloomed the hands and the dial, and I repainted the sweep hand. I am missing a part, and I cannot track it down, and I need your help. Underneath the gasket, which goes right here, underneath there, the gasket sits on top of a retaining ring. And it looks basically, it's going to look just like this, but this isn't it. I can't find the part number. I don't exactly know what the part looks like. I can't find anything. I need to know what that part number is. If anybody knows that, please let me know. I will be super, super appreciative. It's not often I hit a brick wall, but ooh, I hit one today. Well, actually not today. It's been a while. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? I had to build an entire stem out of NOS parts that I had. There was a few other things I needed to do. But it came out, the movement came out great. I'm astonished, actually, at how well the movement came out, because I had to break out I had to break out a loose movement, basically, a junker, and get it to run. And it's running well. It is interesting. These use the same crystal 330W16GN00 as a lot of the 6119 and 6106 sport divers. That's how I knew that ring would probably work, because of that crystal. And that's what I tried, and in fact it worked, because 330W16GA00 will exchange with 330W18GN00, which is for a 6139 Pogue. And internally, the 16 is domed, and the 18 is flat inside to make space for the chronograph wheel. This will work. I can put an 18 in it, not a problem. But I've got to find whatever this ring is for that. So if you know the answer to what that is, please let me know. I would be super, ooper, duper appreciative. Thank you very, very much.